Hello guys, good evening and welcome back to my channel. So this afternoon actually nag live streaming ako and almost 3 weeks kasi na walang upload, walang activity sa channel. Kaya naisipan kong mag live streaming for a couple of minutes, 20 minutes to be exact. Ang naging problema till now under processing and hindi siya nag-a-appear sa aking channel, so baka may problema. And ang pagkakaintindi ko, may bago ng rules ang YouTube na may mga kailangan kang sagutan and hindi ko naman nagagawa, hindi ko makita. Nag-try na ako sa computer, hindi pa rin. So try uli ako ngayon mag-record and then upload, ipa-premiere ko para naman at least parang nag-live na din. Most likely tomorrow evening na ito or afternoon. Ang topic ko actually 2 weeks old na to. It is all about ozone layer. Kung naririnig niyo sa balita, may na-discover na naman na a big hole equivalent to 3 times ng Greenland sa North Pole. Before North Pole or Arctic. Before, ang naging problema ay sa Antarctica, South Pole. So this time sa North Pole naman. So problema 'yon. Pero pagkatapos ng video na to, bago matapos, sabihin ko na rin naman yung good news. At saka tulad ng nasabi ko, medyo late na yung pagka video ko na to. Kain muna tayo ng sneakers. Okay, so ano ba yung ozone layer? Yung ozone layer is actually O3. So 3 atoms ng oxygen. Ang oxygen, ang chemical symbol niya ay O, pero 2 atoms siya, so O2. So paano po ba na form ang ozone layer? Ang ozone layer actually is kapag natamaan siya ng sunlight, yung oxygen O2, it will be separated. So 2 yan, O2. It will be separated into 2 atoms. Then this one atom will unite to O2 and this one also to another O2, that which forms O3 and it became the ozone layer. So yun ang paliwanag ng mga scientists. So ozone layer, a layer in the Earth's stratosphere at about 10 km or 6.2 miles, containing a high concentration of ozone which absorbs ultraviolet radiations from the sun. So ano po ba ang importance ng ozone layer? It acts as a shield. It's actually protect us from radiation. And na-mention ko na rin naman how ozone is formed. It is by a 2 steps reactive process. So oxygen will divide into 2 atoms. Then this one will unite to oxygen to O2 and this one to O2 also. So then O3 will be formed. Okay, so 2 steps. First, sunlight will break the oxygen into 2 atoms and the second collide again into O2 to make O3. So yung naging problema before sa South Pole, sa parteng Antarctica, is way back late 70s and 80s. Nagkaroon tayo ng ozone depletion. It happens when chlorine and bromine atoms come into contact with ozone. They destroy the ozone molecules. Ano po ba yung mga yon? Ito yung mga chlorofluorocarbons or CFCs and halon gases formerly found in aerosol cans and refrigerants. When it was released in the atmosphere, then this can cause chemical reactions that destroys the ozone. So nung na-discover yung ozone depletion, merong pinaka-importanting event sa buong mundo kung bakit nung midway nung 80s, like 85 or 86, nagkaroon ng act to protect our ozone. So ano po bang nangyari noon? Ang nangyari kasi, saan ba yung nagkaroon ng kasunduan ang buong mundo, which is held and ratified on September 16, 1987, which is called the Montreal Protocol. It is still widely viewed as the most successful international environmental treaty, and it was implemented on January 1989. It is designed to protect the ozone by phasing out numerous substances that are responsible for ozone depletion. Actually, that time 46 countries are signatories, and the ratifier now at the moment is 197 all-in members. So ipinagbawal nila. Kaya kung millennials kayo, mapapansin nyo pa rin sa mga refrigerator, sa mga air conditioning, lagi nyong nakikita yung CFCs free or friendly. So ipinagbawal na mga refrigerant. And ano ba yung mga example nun? I have a few example. Chlorofluorocarbons, hydrofluorocarbons, paraffin hydrocarbons, which contains carbon, hydrogen, chlorine, and fluorine. So yun yung nangyari. And while this year and late quarter last year, scientists are actually celebrating that the ozone from the Antarctic was actually healing itself because of this act. However, just after rejoicing, they found the German Aerospace Center found a big hole at the north, and it seems like climate change to be the reason, and cooler temperature this year at the North Pole. So yun ang nakikitang dahilan. So gaano ba kadelikado ito? Seems not that much compared in the south, because in the north, sun angle is still low at such high altitude, and apparently they predict that this hole is short-lived only, most likely, and I will tell you the update later on before we end this video. And this is also a lot closer to USA, and we all know how cold the weather in USA anyway. So yun na nga, deep hole which is 3 times by the Greenland and the at the Arctic or in the North Pole. So how critical it is? The ozone is actually critical to sustain life in the earth. How? Without this, life will not life will not survive in the planet. We will be prone to illnesses such as skin cancers and cataracts, as well as environmental damage. So ang ating part, makipagkaisa tayo dun sa act na produce and napagkasunduan way back 1980s. And sa mga millennials, iwasan din natin ang paggamit ng excessive use of aerosol cans. Just check on the label if it is CFCs friendly. Okay, so how we are going to cure the North Pole, which is having 3 times bigger than Greenland? So ito na po ang good news. It will apparently heal itself, and it will be short-lived. So the latest update I've got 5 hours back from CNN is actually it is almost closed at the moment. So ayun, nothing to worry. The only reason it happens is because of the phenomenon. Hindi rin naman natin mapipredict kung ano na talaga nangyayari sa mundo. So, much better maging aware tayo, especially sa environment. Let us help prevent further pollution on our air, on the land, and the sea. Just one great example about pollutants. Do you often go into a sea? Have a look. There's so much plastics, bottles, cans everywhere. Before, all our rivers, we can actually fish, we can actually swim, we can wash our clothes. Kasi yung kabataan ko ganun, lagi kaming nasa ilog. Just to give you an update, or to give you further info, my ancestral house is actually not mine. My father is actually 500 meters away from the river, and at the moment, the last time that I've been there is 2007. See, 13 years I never been in the river because I know how polluted it was, but I'm not sure at the moment. But that's what my understanding is. And so, ayun, bad news, nagkaroon ng big hole sa North Pole after discovering that the hole in the ozone layer at the south is already healed. And the good news is actually it also healing at the moment. So what is the point by discussing this? For us to be aware about our environment, and let us participate. One, each and every one of us, like for example a simple candy wrapper. If you throw it, who you think will gonna pick it up? So if every one of us will put it in the waste bin, then there will be no pollution in the land and in the sea. So okay, so yun lang, and sana nandun pa rin kayo para sumuporta, and hindi ko na masyadong babatiin yung aking mga, kasi nagiging parang routine na lang. So siguro 5 tao na lang yung talagang super lapit sa akin, and super na palagi kong nakakausap kapag may mga problema ako sa YouTube channel. And next video ko, iisa-isain ko na lang ulit. So shout out kay Prince View channel na patongits-tongits na lang. Napakalaki na po ng income niya, $5 to $10 per day. And kay dun sa kinaka-insecure ni Angelina Jolie, dahil sa napakaganda ng labi niya, at napakaputi at napakakinis. Si Everyday is Tuesday na nasa Australia. And sino pa ba? 2 pa lang sabi ko 5. And sino pa ba? Si Claycomb channel. So ayan, 3. So pang-4 si Miss K, yan. And pang-5, yung pinaka the best sa lahat, pinakamagandang igorota na nabuhay sa ibabaw ng lupa, ang kanyang asset ay ang kanyang chinitang mga mata at ang kanyang napakagandang legs na pwede mong ipanghampas. Epic. So yun lang, maraming salamat and good night. Gabi na po kasi dito sa Qatar. Bye bye.